Hello everyone, this is Real Favorite Productions here, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of these two Lionel HO pieces of rolling stock. There's Norfolk and Western empty hopper, and there's Union Pacific Boxcar. Both are Lionel, as you can see from the box. Lionel and Lionel. Alright, so let's get into it. First one we're gonna open is the Norfolk and Western thing. Oh god. Okay, just give me a second to do this. Also, Merry Christmas to everyone, or whatever you celebrate. Hope you have happy holidays. Okay. So, let's get... Okay, I've got the thing. Alright. Let's start unboxing it. Lift the cover off. And there we go. Brand new NNW hopper. Awesome. Put that on the layout soon. Okay, next piece of rolling stock, the Union Pacific Boxcar. Now, I actually already own a Norfolk and Western hopper, but I do not know on any other Lionel HO stuff, so this is going to be new for me. Okay, we have it right here. Oh, this one's got a little bit of tape to it. Hold on, just let me get that off. Okay. And there she is. Beautiful. Wow, it's even got sliding doors. That's pretty nice, considering this is only like $21 on Lionel.com or something like, or Lionel store. Yeah, Lionel store. Yeah, these are actually really good models for the price. You got the logo, Union Pacific, Union Pacific. Alrighty, so, let me, show you the two together. Just give me a sec. I will. Sorry about the glare. And there they are. Norfolk Western hopper and the Union Pacific Boxcar. Both amazing models. I will give them 5 stars. Lionel did an amazing job. Great pricing too. Okay, I guess that's it. Merry Christmas, everyone. This is Real Fan Productions, out.